Hello everybody, I'm Storm here. Welcome back to Factorio. In the last episode, we built this facility here, which produces stone bricks, and it also produces concrete bricks, standard concrete, and reinforced concrete brick. So we now have all of those types of bricks available to us in a infinite format, so we're not reliant upon anything else other than simply water out of the ocean there, and we can make everything. So that is good, because these are very important building components. So now what we need to do is we need to work on more smelting lines. Particularly what we're going to be working on next are going to be silver and aluminum. And then we're going to have some other stuff we're going to need to bring up here. This is going to be titanium, gold, zinc, cobalt are all going to need to be brought up. But we have aluminum and silver ready to go. So let's just go ahead and get to work. So let's go ahead and start setting up the line here, or what we would need for silver. For silver, we're going to need silver plate, which is going to be there from molten silver. All right, and we have done a bit of research. We do have the Mark IIIs, but we don't have the aluminum plate that we need yet. And I don't think we're going to need a ton of this silver, so we're not going to need the fastest machines available. So we'll just go with the Mark IIs for now. As far as quantity, I'm going to say we want a full yellow transport belt's worth. Let's just save that and see what we get. Okay, so what we're going to need next is going to be molten silver, which we have but one recipe for that. Molten silver from silver ingots. Again, induction furnace. Mark IIs. Silver ingots. We have two. Oh, hold on. Okay. Had to cough there a bit. All right. So we can either smelt the ingots directly from ore, or we can make ingots from silver nitrate. Just out of curiosity, do we have a better silver smelting? No, not anything that we could research. So this is the best silver smelting we're going to get. Okay, so silver nitrate. Blast furnace. Mark IVs, yeah, we can only do the Mark IIs. Alright, and then silver nitrate is for processed silver in nitric acid, which we have plenty of. This requires 66.7. What is the best chemical plant we can make? Or, no, this is a liquefier. Mark II liquefiers are the best we can do. Processed silver, all we have are the Mark IIs. The Mark IIs of the ore processing machines, and then silver ore. Okay, so that's actually a fairly straightforward line. We just need some more resources. Because, let's see, how much clay brick do I have? A 510 clay brick. What's holding me back here? What is holding me back here? Steel. Ah! Stone brick. I probably should have grabbed some before I came up here. Oh well, it was just kind of fun riding the belt while I was working on that. Alright, well, we'll walk ourselves back down here. No big deal. We'll grab some bricks. Alright. So, I need 1, 2, 3 of those. I need 2 liquefier Mark IIs. 1, 2. I need 2 blast furnace Mark IIs. 1, 2. I need 3 induction furnace Mark IIs. Which are the induction furnaces? Do I already have any of those? No. So 1, 2, 3, and then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 casting machines. Perfect. Alright, so first things first, we need the processing machines. Let's see. We'll give this... Alright, and you're going to be processing silver. I'm probably going to need some more inserters. Alright, so that's 3 to 2. Trying to decide if I'm going to need a big balancer or not. I don't think so. I've done it before, and I haven't really done it consistently, but I don't think we really need as like maximum capacity off of this, because there's not a lot we can really use silver plates for at the moment. Primarily, they're just going to be there for making... I could need more belts. Hold on. Let me go grab those while I'm thinking about it. They're going to be primarily for making solar panels. Better solar panels. I think there are some electronics that use them. I can't quite remember. Alright, I think if there's still any red stuff available, I might take that. Which it looks like that there are. Because this isn't going to need blues. Alright, we're going to take all the reds. Okay. Blue is a bit overkill. Alright, so. There we are. Okay, and then we take it out of there. And I'll just tell you to put on the near side of the belt, which should be more than fine. Alright. So then we are taking this stuff plus nitric acid and making silver nitrate. And we're going to need 66.7 nitric acid per second at maximum draw. I don't know if we make that much. Oh, you know what I should probably do while I'm looking at it and thinking about it? is I should... Actually, how much do I have? I don't have a ton. I'll probably have to hold off then. I can't imagine we're actually using that much nitric acid. I need some radar out there. Okay. Alright, well, if we need to expand the production, we'll expand the production. Okay, so you guys are going to be making silver nitrate. Alright. And then we're going to need... some of that nitric acid pumped up here. So we're going to have to connect in to there. That'll do. Okay. And actually, let me... Will that even help? Not really. It would help if I moved... If I moved that over there. You have that. Just... You'll see what I mean in a moment. Let's see. Let's get you over there. Underground pipe, underground pipe. Nope, actually, it doesn't help. Okay. Oh well. No big deal. I wanted to do this without modifying the inserters, but looks like we're gonna have to. Pick up, and power. And you are near side. There we go. Alright, concrete's done. Which provides some different recipes for concrete. Let's see. Vehicle overdrive motor, ceramics. What do I actually need? Cliff explosives? Oil burning generator. Vehicle fusion cell equipment. Vehicle fusion reactor equipment. Advanced electronics 2. You know what? Grab that. We're going to need to make some of those. And we're going to need to make some of those with this facility, I think. Again, not a large quantity, but at least something. Okay, so... Now, we're going to need to take this stuff, put it in a blast furnace, and we'll do that here. Blast furnace, of course, is going to need fuel. Now, this is carbon and coke. We're apparently using the carbon as fuel up here. Where are those fuel pellets? There they are. No, that's carbon. These are the coke pellets. Let's see. They're on yellow belts. I was trying to decide. All right, let's grab them. Let's grab them. Right there. Oh, we're doing direct insertion over here. Let's see, if I switch this to a blue underground belt, how far can I get that? Can I get that far enough? I can, in fact, get that far enough to get past all of this. Okay, that's useful. Can I get that far enough? Nope. I can't, but I have enough room here to do that. Okay. So there we go. And I'm going to bring it right there. And then what we're going to do is we're going to do this. Have them drop there. And connect to power. There we go. And you guys are going to be making ingots. Ingots. I think I am going to actually split this. Hold on, let me actually just bring it down there, and you can go in there. I'm hoping one inserter is going to be enough. Okay. Did I put down my last lamp? I think I did. Alright, build a bunch of those. And then... we should have ingots coming out here. And then we need to put those in 3 induction furnaces. Which hopefully this will produce fast enough. Alright, you guys are going to be making molten silver. And there we are, molten silver. And we're going to put that molten silver in a plastic pipe, because that sounds like a great idea. Alright, and then we're going to use, as usual, I like to use a tank. We're going to use the inline tank. I'm going to stick that in line here. I'm going to go ahead and we're going to do the thing with the pump. Run a pump. There we go. And then we're going to fill that with molten silver. And yeah, it looks like everything should be working effectively. Very good. And hopefully we're not drawing too heavily upon that that nitric acid. It looks okay for now. And then we need 9 casting machines. Which actually is not that hard. Let's clear these trees. Actually, one thing I could do, just to get rid of it, is just dump some wood in there to burn up in one of those furnaces. Okay. So, how do I want to handle... How do we want to handle this? I think we're going to do it this way. We're going to go... 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we'll put a 5th one there for 9. Then, let's see, do I have enough pipe to get there? Yes, I do. And you guys are going to be making silver plate. Gonna need to grab some more of this pipe. Bring those all together. And there we are. And then what we need to do is we need to put all this stuff in a silo. Go ahead and put the silo right there, and we'll just use a loader. There we are. Silver plate. Piece of cake. Alright, let's just take a look at this nitric acid tank. It is still full. And yeah, we're barely using all this. So we're barely even touching our ability to produce nitric acid. So good to go. Alright, that means that aluminum is next. Or aluminium. Alright, plate. No, we're not going to go direct from liquid, I don't think. Hold on. We look to have a sheet coil. Okay. And I can make assembly machine 3s. Again, I want to be able to produce, at the very least, enough to fill a yellow belt. Because that's the same production output that I have for pretty much everything else. Or at least that was the target anyway. Sheet coils. Aluminum sheet coils. We don't have the Mark IVs of the strand casting machines. We have the... Can we make the Mark IIs? No. Cannot make the Mark II. So Mark 1's only. 7 strand casting machines. Okay. Alright, molten aluminum. Aluminum and manganese. We don't have any manganese. So we're just going to have to take aluminum ingots. And Mark IIs. Aluminum ingot. And Mark IIs. We're going to need carbon. We have that. And we're going to need alumina. Alumina. Actually, we're probably going to want to store some of this alumina because it's used for some other stuff. Alumina. Again, Mark IIs. We're going to need aluminum hydroxide. 2 ways of making it. One with sodium hydroxide and aluminum ore. One with sodium hydroxide and processed aluminum. This is the more efficient one. We're going to need a powder mixing machine. We have the Mark 1s of those that we can actually make. And then we're going to need a processed aluminum. That's going to be fairly simple. Actually, yeah. 3 of them. Okay, so sodium hydroxide. That is a new wrinkle. We should actually have a supply. There. 26,000 of it. But we're not making a lot of it. Not very quickly, anyway. It comes about from this, and it creates saline water, which we're making so much of that we're actually dumping it. How much of this am I going to actually need? 3.4 per second, which is going to require... can we make the Mark IIs? No. I make the Mark I hydro plants. 7 Mark I hydro plants. Electrolyzing saline water. Oh no, we're electrolyzing the saline water. We have to make it. So, the saline water. Do I have any alternative source of it? This is sulfuric wastewater. Let's see, what do we actually have making the stuff? This mineralized water, purified water. That's sulfuric wastewater. I think this is the only place they were actually electrolyzing this stuff. Mineralized water. Oh, I just remembered. I'm going to need to build some more solar power plants. Because this is not making this very fast. No. Let's see. Saline water. Chloric wastewater purification. We should be doing that somewhere, right? Yes, we're doing that here. And we're just dumping the stuff. I say... what we do is, instead of continuing to dump it, we pipe it up to where we need it. Okay. Yeah, that's what we're going to do. So, we need a lot of pipe. It's the reason why I put it in a tank, so that we would have a supply of it somewhere. So we have enough to kind of prime a pipe and get this rolling. Alright. That should be plenty of pipe. Alright, so this is where I'm bringing up sulfuric acid. Let's see. Alright, here's purified. Here's saline. And this is coming in from the chloric wastewater, right? Okay, so what I think I'm going to want to do... This is going to be a bit... Alright, we're gonna move this. I need a pump. Alright, and you're going to have to move... there, because this is gonna come off of there. Ooh, I do not like working around the train track. There we are. Alright, we're going to bring it up this line here. Because it's never fun when you mix multiple fluids in the same pipe. That just gets awkward. And then I think what we're going to do is we're going to follow... We're going to follow this. Alright, advanced electronics is done. What does that unlock for us? Chemical plant 3s. Tanks 2. A tank mark 2. Titanium gear wheel, titanium bearing, titanium plate. We're going to be getting that. Advanced research. Lab mark 2. Automation 4. You know what? Let's grab automation 4. So we're going to want to actually have some of those plants. I think I may even set up a production line to make them. Or not. I'll have to see. Oh, actually, I wanted to make the turn here. Alright, so where are we going to bring this? I think we just keep routing it north. Let's see. Alright, we'll turn the pipe here. Because we're going to need a place where we're going to build the electrolyzers. To make this stuff, because we're going to need 7 of these electrolyzers. All right, and they're fairly large. Electrolyzers are apparently can make the Mark IIs. Hold on. Mark IIs. I'm only going to need 5 of the Mark IIs. All right, the Mark IIs require steel plate. What I'm short on. That's easy enough to come by. One, two, 3. 5 of those. All right, but it looks like that we are at the end of the episode here. So what I'll probably do is build out the rest of the stuff we're going to need for this line. And then when we come back, we will set up the aluminum line. And then we'll start bringing up some of the other metals that we're going to need to smelt into plates. Or into just ingots, depending on what we're doing. And, yeah. That should be good. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Go ahead, like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you next time.